Hello. Welcome to the third session of permutations and combinations. Let's look at the combination first. So, a combination refers to the selection of objects or elements from a set without regard to the order in which they are selected. In other words, the order of selection does not matter in combinations.
Let's use an example to explain combinations. Suppose we have 5 different books on a shelf, and we want to select 2 books to take with us on a trip. The combinations of selecting 2 books from the set of 5 books are as follows. The first combination is book 1 and book 2. The second combination is book 1 and book 3. The third combination is book 1 and book 4. The fourth combination is book 1 and book 5. The fifth combination is book 2 and book 3. The sixth combination is book 2 and book 4. The seventh combination is book 2 and book 5. The eighth combination is book 3 and book 4. The ninth combination is book 3 and book 5. And the 10th combination is book 4 and book 5.
These combinations are all valid, regardless of the order in which the books are selected. For example, book 1, book 2, and book 2, book 1 represent the same combination since the order doesn't matter. In general, the number of combinations can be calculated using the combination formula, which involves the binomial coefficient. The number of combinations of selecting R objects from a set of n objects is given by the formula. C, n, R equal to n factorial divided by R factorial n minus R factorial. In our example, since we are selecting 2 books from a set of 5 books, the number of combinations is calculated as C, 5, to equal to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 10. Therefore, there are 10 different combinations when selecting 2 books from the set of 5 books. Combinations find applications in various fields, such as probability, statistics, and combinatorial optimization, where the order of selection is not important.
For more updates, follow the FT World on Instagram and subscribe the FT World on YouTube.